said, well, I'm not running back to the shit. I'm not doing this. I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to tolerate this shit.
So it does rip. Look, it's slime. It does, like, see guys, it rips a little bit, but it's so pretty because it's like you make clear slime and then you put red paint in it. That's exactly like the color of it. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna take a break from mixing that. So this is a white chocolate mocha. Comment down below what your favorite coffee from Starbucks is, if you're allowed to drink coffee. I am, but I'm just asking you guys. If you're not, just be honest. I won't make fun of you. Why would I do that though? But what's your favorite type of coffee from Starbucks? Actually, yeah, you can do either what's your favorite coffee from Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or like anything like that. It can be homemade coffee, like with the coffee maker, not homemade, but like coffee maker coffee maker slime, coffee maker coffee. And guys, since we woke up to a late start because there's no school today, because it is snowing bad and it's icy outside, so we didn't have school today. But so for breakfast, we're having sausage, biscuits, and gravy. Comment down below what your favorite breakfast food is, and then comment also what you have most for breakfast. Then you might want to. Okay, so I just mixed them up. It's kind of sticky like that. You might just want to let it sit out for 2 minutes. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 2 minutes and here's how the slime is. Oops. It's still a little bit sticky, but it's way more stretchier than it was before. But yeah, it has been 2 minutes and maybe you should let it sit out for like 3 minutes. That's recommended, but I just let it sit out for 2 minutes and yeah, it's really good. It's not like an actual slime, but it could be, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna see like if it could be a jiggly slime or it's more of a metallic and it doesn't spread like butter, so it's more of a metallic slime. Oh god, that hurt. So here's how it turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe down below this video. Big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite candy is and what your favorite coffee is, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.